There is a very powerful magician on Math Planet, and he has many magical abilities. When the monsters come out to destroy things, the magician uses his magic to defeat them and protect everyone.
I am the great magician Kiki, and let's see if anyone needs our help. Brain development.
The Kingdom of Logic has many beautiful islands. One day, the evil Monster King came and destroyed the trees and houses here. Everyone is homeless. Please help the people rebuild their homes with the magician.
Welcome to the Logic Kingdom. Let's check out the island. Please help me rebuild the island by completing tasks and getting hammers.
Five. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Find the treasure in the box with the most fruit. Unbelievable, you're the best. Take a... Yay! You won a magic card. Missile card. Here comes a missile.
You got it right! You've won a magic card! Ice card!
The Devil King has turned you into ice. It's so cold. Your hands are frozen. You can't roll the dice.
What? Why is it wrong?
Three. 1, 2, 3. You finished all the questions. You're so smart. Quick, pick a card. Yay! You won a magic card. Car card. Car, let's go forward. 1, 2, 3.
Yeah! I've won a magic card! Hurdle card!
One. You've come back. Let's count. How many bugs are there? There 5. You go. Congratulations. Yay! You won a magic card. Missile card. Here comes a missile. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Four. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yay! You can pick cards here. Yay! You found a gold card. Devil King, here's something for my ice wand. The attack succeeded. The Devil King lost 1 life.
Oh, you got it wrong!
2. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9. I am in train car number. Thank you. I am in train car number 6. Thank you. I am in train car number. Wow, well done. Quick! Yay! You won a magic card. Car card. Car, let's go forward. 1, 2, 3.
Kiki, take this!
Oh no, you've lost 1 life because the Devil King attacked you. Four. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yay! You won a magic card. Shield card.
Whoa!
The magic shield card will protect you.
You got it right! You've won a magic card! Shield card!
One. Three. 1, 2, 3. Count the fruit candies and connect them to the right number. 4. There you go. Congratulations. Yay! You won a magic card. Turtle card. Five. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's count. 2, 3, 4. You're so smart. Take a gold. Yay! You found a gold card. Devil King, you're so good for my ice wand. The attack succeeded. The Devil King lost 1 life. The Devil King has 1 life left. Keep up your attack.
Oh, you got it wrong!
2. 1, 2. Wow, you can take more cards. Quick! Yay! You found a gold card. Hidden power. Devil King, have a taste of my sword. Wow, the Devil King has lost all of his lives. You've won.
You've got a hammer. Now you can rebuild the building. Come on, let's go to rebuild the whole island.
Five. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Oh, you got it wrong!
2. 1, 2. Oval, 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 oval. Trapezoid, 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 trapezoid. You're so smart. Take a gold. Yay! You won a magic card. Card. Car, let's go forward. 1, 2, 3. Two. 1, 2. Yay! You won a magic card. Transmission card. Get out of here, Devil King. Go back to where you came from.
Yeah! I've won a magic card! Transmission card!
Ah, you've had to go back because of the Devil King. 1. Let's write some numbers. There 7. You go. Congratulations. Yay! You won a magic card. Card. Car, let's go forward. 1, 2, 3. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wow, a tornado. 2 steps back.
What? Why is it wrong?
Two. 1, 2. Wow, a tornado. 2 steps back.
What? Why is it wrong?
Three. 1, 2, 3. Oh no, it's frozen.
You got it right! You've won a magic card! Car card!
Your hands are frozen. You can't roll the dice.
What? Why is it wrong?
Five. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can pick cards here. Yay, you found a gold card. Give me power. Devil King, have a taste of my sword. The attack succeeded. The Devil King lost 1 life. Two. 1, 2. Sort them by color. Wow, well done. Take a gold Yay! You won a magic card. Ice card. Yay! The Devil King is frozen. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wow, you can take more cards. Yay! You found a gold card. Give me power. Devil King, have a taste of my sword. Wow, the Devil King has lost all of his lives. You've won.
You've got a hammer. Now you can rebuild the building. Come on, let's go to rebuild the whole island. Beautiful.
Choose a superhero to be your squad captain.
I am Superhero Mew Mew. I'm able to conjure a shield by using my mind.
Babybus, superhero squad is departing.
Babybus Mind Shield! Advance bravely!
Attention, attention! You have entered the realm of evil kings. Prepare for battle.
Babybus flying energy! Soaring into the sky! Hi-ya-ya! Poison zone! Babybus Mind Force attack! Hi-ya-ya! Sludge attack!
Oh no! Your superhero has been hit by the evil king. Go and collect more flying energy to continue battling.
Woohoo! Hi-ya-ya! Sludge attack! Babybus Mind Force attack! Hi-ya-ya! Poison zone! Babybus Mind Force attack! Now you've tasted my power!
Babybus fire cannon!
Babybus Nature attack!
Babybus element attack!
Babybus Mind Force attack!